Everyone, it's Annelise and I'm here with my sister.
Hi.
Her name's Amy. And today we're going to be opening up the noisemaker. Woo! And what it is it's goo. Yeah. It's goo and once you stick your hand in there it makes a farting noise. Okay, so let's open it up. Hang on. Open it up. Ooh.
I'm really excited to feel the goo, see how it feels. And
I've felt it before. My friends have it, but I'm excited too because I haven't had it off my own. Okay.
No, I'm really excited because I really
I'm going to have to pause. I'm going to have to come back in a minute, okay? Okay, so I did get it open. And I'm just waiting for Amy to get back with some scissors. So, yeah. Whoa, okay. Camera just moved. So, it's going to be very hard to open this up without scissors, but we're going to start. Here you go. Good, she's here. If you heard the door, that's just her coming in. Hang on a second.
I'm so excited.
Yeah, I just need to do it behind the camera. Okay, I think we got it. Yeah. Maybe not. Okay, there. Why did they need to double wrap it? Oh my gosh, it feels so cool.
Have a feel?
It won't make a noise, okay. I need to squish it down to make it make a noise. It won't make a noise.
I want to feel it.
Whoa, okay, sorry again. Sorry. The camera just moved. Oh, how come it has to keep moving? It won't make a noise. It's meant to make noises. Hang on. Making little noises.
Can I have a feel of it?
Okay. Can't really hear it, I don't think, but it's making little, very small fart noises. Look at that. It's obviously slime. Try not to break any. Okay. So I've got it in my hands. And it feels very wet. Obviously. You can pull it like that. Squish it.
This is so fun.
Here. I must put it back. Okay.
I want to try and make it fart.
Did you hear that, guys?
Yeah.
Hang on. Hear that? It makes. I don't know if you can hear it. Whoa. Oh my gosh. How come the camera has to keep moving? Ooh. So I think you must have to get it out and then just put it on top and then do that.
Can I have a turn?
Oh my
Can I have a turn?
Yeah. Just get it out again. Squish it and put it.
I want to put it.
You have to put it on camera. Amy, you have to.
So,
Do that, and I'm going to try and get that out the bottom. But it comes out really well and neat. Amy, it's okay if it overflows. Hear that, guys? You have to hear it. I think you must hear it because it should be picking up these noises. Amy, they can't see it. Oh my gosh, did you hear that?
No.
Let's do it one last time.
It's so fun.
And you kind of have to, you can't just have it like that because otherwise it will probably just drop through. So you kind of flatten it out. Have it in a very not bowl. I'll move it back a little bit. Did you hear that? Probably. Oh my gosh! If you can't, it's very unpleasant. Mum wouldn't like this because it sounds like farts, and we'll probably be doing it on our dad.
So, can I?
So 10 out. So, what would it be? 10 out of
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. You love this?
Yeah.
I'd say a 10 out of 9 because I would have liked it if it wasn't like if it stretched more and wouldn't break as easy because
It's really wet
and stuff. I like it. It feels good, but I don't like how it does that. I'd say 9.5 probably. I said 9, but no, I said 9.5. Where's the Okay, here it is. So we're going to put it back in here. Oh my gosh, I must do that again because just as I said, put it back. It made such a big farting noise. Okay. Let Amy have one last go. 2 more goes. I just want to have one more go. It's so much fun. Okay.
I would like it if it was less wetter.
I don't mind how it's wet.
Amy, you can't.
Okay. So sorry, I just had to whisper to Amy.
Don't find it out. Oh.
Oh my gosh. Amy. Amy just didn't bring it into the camera. Okay, I think that's enough. No, you just need your one last go to.
I like cleaning it out.
Okay. So one more go and then we're going to... I'm going to need to tell you something before we go.
Okay,
Okay, let's put the lid on. Speaking of the lid, where is the lid? Oh. Okay. Like that. Put the lid on. Okay, guys, so...
it kind of feels
we'll just
like
move this
jelly.
out of the way. Whoa. Okay. So, the noise maker is pretty good. Okay. Amy just wanted to play with it, but not while I'm just trying to speak. She can play with it after. Okay. So, we have 4 more of these just hanging around somewhere. But I hope you've seen the video where we opened up the fast food collection. They're hanging around here somewhere. Little fast food collection.
Oh, right here.
Oh, there's the rest. Okay, so... And where's the cookie cooker? Can we get the cookie cooker?
And the spatula is to like pick it up with just
Ooh, it's in there. I know.
somehow.
So, if you haven't watched it, it is... Put it back in the camera. Put it back in the camera. So, if you haven't watched it, I'll just tell you their name. This is Little Red. Not little, it's Little Red. Cheddar. Yummy Sundae. And it's spelled S-U-D-A-E. Sun. No, S-U-N-D. D-A-E. Okay, so it's weird. onion ring, Sadie soda, Shaky, I think his name is. Shaky. Amy just made a long, very long snake of it. Wise fry and fish pie. And this is the cookie cooker. So I hope you enjoyed our video. Make sure to click like, subscribe to Kelsey Girl 10 and to comment down below if you love the farting noise. If you don't, just say no. But if you do, say yes.
And
Bye!
And the question of the day is...
We don't have a question of the day.
What? No, we don't have it. We never have a question of the day.